birds just started, there you go. Yeah, I'm going to try and get these birds spawn this first time. Here they come, here's the flock of birds. I'll stay quiet so you. There they go. We got them. Woo. This is the excitement in the morning. Okay, just around this bend is the access to the pond in the long grass. And in the long grass, it is wet in a frosty morning like this. Oh, it's the 6 degrees. My hand is frozen. There's nothing here for me to put the camera on. So I'm just going to have to hold it. Oh, hang on, I can put the camera on the box that I'm holding. Oh, I just woke up all the ducks. Okay, I just realised I've got a box in my hand. I've got a box that I hold the Lego in. What am I talking about? We can do this. 5 degrees, this. Oh, see how wet the grass was? Now if we go any further here, I will fall into the water. There's the David Attenborough. Here we are in the wild. Now that chair that you see over there, that's the other side of the lagoon. This will be a bird watching feature right here. Be able to see the birds and everything. I will raise it up so we can see the birdies. And there's the early morning. Look, we got the birds coming again, but I haven't got it focused on the birds. And that is the sunrise across the lagoon. So in 1 year's time, I'll come back here to a bird watching facility and we will see the difference here. The difference with the bird watching huts. It will be marvellous. Absolutely marvellous. They're 5 minutes. I can't see the time now. Hang on. Yeah, it's frosty in the morning. Frosty in the morning. Can't see a thing. There is the swampland. Why did I get that flash there? What? What exactly is happening there? I don't know what was happening there. Get that flashlight from? Hang on, let's have a look. No? It was a poltergeist. Okay, we're at 4:30, 4:44, 4:47, 4:56. We'll go to the 5 minutes. Here we'll do the full picture at 90 degrees to the horizon. And there's the 5 minutes. Cup of tea, dab.